Hi guys, this is the power bank which provides 100 watts, and I'm building with four extra big batteries. These are four extra big batteries. Each battery is 4.2 volt, so it's gonna be 16.8 volt in total, and these batteries will be connected to this power bank, and it will be backup of around 35 to 40 DJI Mini 2 or 3 or 4. You can charge like 35 to 40 batteries with this pack, because this is gonna be basically around 100,000 real milliamp hours. Basically these are not four exactly, but two of each. Here they are two of each, and in total they are eight batteries and 10,000 milliamps each battery, so 80,000 plus. And I'm going to extend four more, so it will be like over 100,000 milliamp, so which will be able, as you can see, this charger is actually charging these two batteries together. It says too fast charging and too fast waiting. So as you can see, it's providing 20 volts, and at 1 amp basically it goes up to 5 amp, because these batteries are over 84 or 88% charge, and one of the battery even it's charged 93%. So you can see this adapter, this power bank is actually able to charge with the fast charging of two batteries together and each time. And secondly, we can connect, as you can see, there is a USB A port, which is fast charging, and also USB A port as well. Here is the hole which I am going to actually put the wires, take out the wires from inside the PCB, and those will be connected to these batteries. And this is a part A consider, and the part B will be ready when this will be fitted into this box. And all the batteries and power bank, etc., that will be at the bottom of the bag, and then it will be settled with all the batteries which I'm showing you. So it will be good design. Hopefully everybody will like it, and it's a very good backup, as there's some people, they are flying, they love to fly, and they will be able to fly the drone even for 4 or 5 days continuously. And I will make another video, the third one, which I will add solar panel on this one as well. So hopefully you guys will enjoy, and again, just wait for the second video, which will be part 2 for this big power bank, where I will show you the complete ready to go, and it will be nice with the meters, etc., and the possibility with the light as well, LED lights. Okay my friends, thank you very much, take care, bye bye.